That's really nice, Shiva. And just I want to know in advanced property, what are all the features it's having? Can you show that?
Yeah, sure. I think a data model view, we can do some more additional things depending on where you select the which option you select.
Mm-hmm.
And say, for instance, if I select the table, these are the features I get. If I go to advanced,
Mm-hmm.
I can get the storage mode, whether it's an import or a direct query or a direct lake or a dual is both import and direct query, depending on how you access the data from the database tables, the
Mm-hmm.
relevant data source.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas if I choose a field within the table, I get furthermore options,
Oh.
more options,
Mm-hmm.
sorry, which is actually sort by column. I can sort by the column, or I can actually choose whichever column I want to sort it, the data by. I can choose to categorize the data. It's a latitude or longitude or postcode. I can categorize them accordingly. I can even summarize them by putting aggregated data. Obviously, the region is a text column data type. That's why I'm getting options of count and distinct count. Whereas if I use a number data type, I'll get these options like sum, average, and so on and so forth. Whether I can allow null values or not, I can choose that. Alternatively, you can do hierarchies. Yeah. Say, for example, if you can right click on the field and you can say create hierarchy, and this creates a hierarchy for you. And then you can actually add a level by choosing the further options you've got, area name, for instance. That can create like a region and an area name hierarchy. And then you can just click on apply changes. So this should create a hierarchy for you. So there are further manipulations you can do with the advanced feature. It's a very useful, handy tool. And you can click on this fit to page to see the full schema of the your database or your table structure and so on and so forth. Similarly, you can actually see the hierarchies here. That's called create a region hierarchy. I think the ranking on selected arrays was already there, so apologies for it. So region hierarchy is what we just
So
created
this
just
is
now.
what we have created right now.
That's correct. Yeah, that's a region hierarchy. I think I told you before the ranking on selected array. That's the wrong hierarchy. The region hierarchy is the one that we just created just now. It has got a synonyms, and you can add further sub areas or small areas into the hierarchy if you need it, or you can even, if you have created a folder, you can actually put the data into the folder. You can all do all these manipulation within the properties in the advanced section of the data model. Hope you enjoyed this video on the data model view and advanced options of data model view. If you like it, please share it with your colleagues and leave your valuable comments and feedback in the
And give
video.
it the thumbs up.
Thumbs up, yeah, is important, isn't it? Yeah. See you all in the next video.